Hey guys, today we're taking a look at Feem Wifi. This is a file transfer that is available for iOS devices like the iPhone, the iPad. In this case, we're taking a look at it on the iPhone 5. And it's also available cross-platform on desktop clients, so Windows, Mac. You can check it out there. And you can see here, I have it on my Mac OS 10. I'm running on Mac OS 10 on the desktop. And this allows you to make easy file transfers from desktop to iOS device or vice versa, or iOS to iOS device, stuff like that. So you can make it really simple file transfers, download stuff like documents, pictures, etc. And you can even stream things like music through their playlist features. So here on the left, you can see this is the Feem client for Mac OS 10 here. We have all the basic things that you would have in the iOS client. You can have the options to look at peers, and you can your peers are your other devices on the Feem network here. Your chat, you can chat to, for example, I have my iPhone here. You can also see you can send files here, download files, and or update your profile if you want to update your profile here. So chatting is very simple. You can just click on the device here and then put in something here, and I can say test and send it, and you'll see here on the iPhone I will get a notification. I can open it up and see the chat window right there. Additionally, you have things like media, which shows all your media that you have available in your camera roll, stuff like that. You have downloads here and playlists. That's also, again, available for things like streaming music. So on this end, if I want to send something, I can add a file here. So I can click on add files, and it will just open up my applications here, my desktop. So I can go on my desktop, and let's say, for example, I have a keynote on here that I want to send. This is a keynote file that I want to send over to my iPhone. I could simply just open this here, send it, and then I have to select the user, so I can select this as my receiver, hit send here. It sends over, and just how fast that is. It's quick, easy, fast. You can see I can tap on the file now, and I can say download. Oh, whoops, sorry. Let me resend that there. Oh, there you go. So I downloaded it, and then now I can even view it right in here easily in my iPhone here. Just this is a PDF, or this is a keynote file. So I can just view this presentation file simply, easily right here. I can even click on options in the top right to open it in Google Drive, Mail, Print, open in Dropbox, etc. So I can go back here, and you can also see the transfer status. So if you have multiple things downloading, you can pause it. You can open up. You can see queued downloads, stuff like that. Again, so you have your download file at the top here, and you can see the adrian.kogirin.kubasaki.oist keynote file available at the top here. And then you can also go through your media and see stuff like you can see that saved document right here. Again, the key file, and you can click it, you can select it, you can even delete it if you want to delete it off of your iPhone right there. So it's simple. You can also, like I said, do the same thing with media, do it with videos, pictures, simple and easy. So this is Feem Wifi. It's as simple to send it from your Mac OS 10 desktop client and or from your iPhone to your desktop client. So you can do it multiple ways. You can do it from an iPad. You can do it from another desktop device that's running the same software, as long as they're all on the same network here. You have the options here to see your downloads on the desktop client, and you even have, again, those settings that I mentioned earlier. So it's super simple transfer. You don't need anything like a USB key. You can do it all wirelessly as long as they're on the same network. Fast, efficient. You can even chat between multiple devices. So if you want to send something, it's kind of like a universal clipboard. So if you want to send a link from one device to something else, you can use it that way. Really interesting app. I haven't had any crashes or any issues like that. Though on the iPhone, I would like to see an iPhone 5 updated version of the new resolution. You can see here I'm running on the iPhone 5, but we have these black borders at the top and bottom. That's the only real con I saw on the application. Other than that, it's definitely worth checking out. It's $1.99. The apps are available for the iPhone. Again, Feem Wifi.